Hello, in this video I will show you how to use Fliki Ai. Now it's a very easy process. So what you have to do is firstly open your web browser. Now in your browser just simply search for Fliki Ai as you can see right over here. This will be the first link. Now over here what you do is just simply do a quick sign up. It's completely free for the first time. Then after doing the sign up just simply log into your ID. And after the sign up is complete, when you will come at the dashboard for the very first time, you will find two sample projects. So one of them is a sample audio project and the second one is going to be a sample video project. So what you can do is firstly delete them because you don't need them. Now after you have deleted all the files, in order to create your very first thing, all you have to do is just simply click on new file right over here. Now depending on what you want, let's say for example you want a video or an audio, you have to choose from the options given above. Now if you're looking for a video project, you will choose video, and for the audio you will choose audio. And the design is completely different, which I will explain you a bit later. So let's say for example we chose a video file. Now this will name your video, like for example test. Then choose the language. Now over here you will find all the language available. Then just simply choose the dialect over here. After that choose the aspect ratio. So in my case, I want the video to be a landscape video, so I will choose 16:9. So you can start with an empty file, an idea prompt, a script, blog, PPT, tweet, product, whatever you want. So let's say for example, we would like to start our video with a script, and the script is actually going to be an idea prompt. So choose the idea prompt option. Now you can choose any other option. If you have a, let's say for example, if you have a script, just simply choose script. If you want to get the video from a blog article, you will choose blog over here. If you have a presentation, you will choose this PPT option, and same for the tweet and product. Now, choose your desired option and click on submit. Now wait for a few seconds and then this type of pop-up will appear in front of you. Now, the options that were given to you at the very beginning are in a bit different format, but they are the same thing. Over here you have to choose what you want. Now in my case, I am going with the idea prompt. You can go with script, blog, PPT, same thing. Now over here what you have to do is you have to just simply enter a title of a video that you would like. And example you can see right over here, motivating video on the benefits of eating healthy diet and exercising. So as you can see, this is a video title itself. So just simply come up with the video title over here. So after adding your title, over here at the very bottom you will have a bar. So as you can see, the amount of length you want in your video, you can choose it down below. So as you can see, by default it is 1 minute. So you can extend it to 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, and max to max you can go up to 15 minutes as you can see right over here. But in this case, I'm going to go with 1 minute over here. Now, over here at the very bottom, you will have two options. You will have stock image and video image, as you can see right over here. Now, depending on how you would like the video, let's say for example, you want the video to be made out of completely video footages. You will choose video. Or if you want the video to be completely collage of images, you will choose image. Now choose your style. After that, choose a template. Then click on select template. Now over here you will have few basic templates to use, as you can see right over here. So you can just simply hover over them and they will automatically show you how they are. So if you like any of the template, all you have to do is just simply click on it and the template will be selected. You can also select sound effects, but they are currently in the paid version. Now over here you will also have another option called AI media. Now what this particular feature will do is it will generate videos and images using AI. So if you choose this option, this will be automatically unselected. And over here you can choose cinematic AI made videos. So it's totally up to you. Over here you can choose the style, as you can see right over here. And for the video you will need to get the paid version, as you can see right over here. So for me I will just simply stick with the stock media footage over here. Now if you want the AI avatar, you can also add that, but you will need to get the paid version as well. So in the end, all you have to do is just simply click on submit, and now the video creating process is beginning. So wait for a few seconds or minutes depending on the internet speed and your computer processing power. Now after a few minutes, your entire video is ready, as you can see right over here. Now you can change the background audio over here. If you want to listen the audio, you can click on it. You can increase and decrease the volume over here. So in order to choose the audio, click on choose file and you will find a lot of audios that are available for you in the free version, and in the paid version you will get better audio, as you can see right over here. You can click on this sound option to hear what the audio will sound like. Or if you want, you can also take the help of AI. So just click on auto picker and AI will pick a good sound depending on your video automatically. Now, once your video is ready, as you can see, they are all separated by scenes, and each individual scene has its own image or a video. At the side, you will have the script. Now, you can change the voiceover person of the script. As you can see right over here, you will have an option called Mia. Now, this is the default language if you are going to select. If you are going to get the voiceover from the application itself, as you can see, if you click on this option, you will have the option to choose any other voice media from any other country. You can also change the gender over here, it's totally up to you. Or if you want, you can also clone your very own voice using this option right over here. And you can choose your own audio. But for now, I will keep it default. Now, as you can see, you will have all the scenes. If you click on them, you will be able to see them one by one. Now, if you would like to edit anything, you can also do that. If you want to edit the text, you can directly change it right over here. You can add them, delete them by using this option right over here. Or if you'd like to change the scene, you can also do that by just simply clicking on the scene and then just simply find what you want. Or you can also use AI generation to generate a scene for you. So as you can see, I just simply use the AI generating tool over here, and it is currently generating a video file for me or an image file for me. Now, if I want to use this particular file, I'll just simply click on use this image, and within a few seconds, it will be replaced, as you can see right over here. And now if I click on it, you can see the image is changed. You can do this with the other files as well, as you can see right over here. If you want, you can also add AI video clip, but for that, you will need the upgrade plan. You can also add images or videos from your very own computer. So, just simply choose my library, then browse, and then choose the file from your computer. Now, once you're done with all of that, just simply click on download. And now, just simply choose your resolution, your format, and click on start export. And click on start. Now the downloading process have begun. Now, this might take some time, so be patient and wait for it to complete. Now, after your file is ready, you can click on download file over here, and the file will automatically be downloaded. So just simply save it to a location and you're all good to go. So this is how the video turned out.
Global warming isn't just a term, it's a reality affecting life on Earth more each day. But what does it mean for us? Rising temperatures are more than just hotter days. They trigger extreme weather patterns, from devastating hurricanes to unforeseen droughts. The melting ice caps not only signify loss of habitat for polar species, but also contribute to rising sea levels, threatening coastal communities. Increased CO2 levels not only warm our planet, but also acidify our oceans, endangering marine life and ecosystems critical to our food chain. Deforestation for agriculture and urban development exacerbates global warming, destroying ecosystems and the biodiversity within them. Health impacts from global warming are on the rise, with heat waves and pollution increasing respiratory and cardiovascular diseases. The time to act is now. By understanding and addressing these side effects, we can work towards a healthier planet and future for all.
So that's how you can use Fliki AI. Now there are other features as well that you can try. Like for example, if you want to get the audio, now it can completely do the exact thing as well that it did in the video format. But it will just simply leave the video and it will give you the entire audio file. Like for example, if you just simply provide a script, it will give you an entire voice over. Or there are many other ways that you can try to use Fliki AI, which I will show you in other videos on this channel. So make sure to subscribe and like the video if it was any help. So that's it, and if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.